Do you know that you can now generate long videos for free and completely unlimited using Meta AI? In this video, I will show you a secret method to create long videos of any duration and in any style, all for free, with Meta AI. First, watch this video I created so you can see what is possible with this tool.
The desert called to him long before he knew why. Its storms whispered that something ancient waited beneath the sands. When he stepped inside the temple, the air awakened around him. Every stone shifted as if it remembered his name. The earth opened, urging him deeper into the dark below. Visions rose like fire, showing destinies he could not escape. At the chamber's heart, the crown pulsed with ancient power. It beat like a living force, calling him to claim his throne. But from the swirling dust rose a king long forgotten. The temple shook as the challenger lifted his spectral blade. Light surged through the crown as he prepared to face him. And in the breath before their clash, the world shattered around them.
Yes, the entire video you just watched is about 1 minute long and was created entirely with free tools. I am going to show you the full workflow from generating a script, creating images, converting those images into video, and then stitching everything together inside an editing software. I will also show you how to add matching background music, sound effects, and how to render the final output. In short, this is a full course. But before we begin, allow me to announce and congratulate the winners from one of my previous videos, where I promised to give away up to 10 premium memberships. According to the draw instructions, 3 people emerged as winners. I will also tag them in this video, and they will receive instructions shortly via email on how to redeem their memberships. If you are new here, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon because I will be doing a lot of giveaways in future videos, and you do not want to miss them. To create a long video with Meta AI, you first need a script. A script is everything. For your video to go viral and deliver your message clearly, it must be built on a strong story. For this, we will use ChatGPT. I know most of you use ChatGPT every day, but very few know how to prompt it correctly. We need ChatGPT to write a strong script, then break that script into scenes, each with an image prompt and a motion prompt, and finally provide a voiceover that matches the story. Never use a weak prompt like, write me a short story and break it into scenes with both image and motion prompts. That prompt is too vague and will give you poor results. Instead, I have done all the heavy lifting for you. I created a carefully structured master prompt that you can copy and paste to save time and get premium quality results. You can find this master prompt inside my Telegram channel, and it is fully customizable. The prompt asks ChatGPT to create a 1-minute cinematic realistic video, but you can edit the duration and style such as 3D or anime, and the story will center on the rise of a great Egyptian king. You can edit the title as well. I also included the entire workflow, so ChatGPT understands the full process from start to finish. First, it should write a full story with a strong opening visual hook, with new hooks appearing every 5 seconds, while keeping focus on the main character. I also added a plot summary, so the AI does not generate random ideas. The story must end with a cliffhanger to keep viewers in suspense. I specified the tone and referenced films like Dune and Gods of Egypt. As you can see, I am prompting like a movie director who knows exactly what the final video should feel like. Next, ChatGPT should break the story into scenes. Since this will be a 1-minute video with 5-second scenes, the total becomes 12 scenes. Each scene should include a short description, then a detailed cinematic image prompt, describing the camera angle, lens type, lighting, mood, environment, and more. ChatGPT should also generate the image to video motion prompt. It should not describe the image again because that would simply repeat information. Instead, it should focus on camera movement, atmosphere, lighting, dramatic tension, and action. It must match the epic historical Egyptian mood, and I included examples of allowed motion elements. A strong prompt is what gives you strong results. Lastly, it should give us a voiceover script with no scene labels, just one continuous monologue that feels epic, ancient, mythic, and dramatic. Each sentence should be short enough to match its 5-second scene. At the end, I added a summary of the output format so ChatGPT knows exactly how to prepare the response. I have seen some gurus sell prompts like this in their courses, but I am giving it completely free. This is exactly what I do before creating any video. I spend time preparing the script, so the results come out exactly how I want. If you want a short tutorial on how I come up with these strong prompts, leave a comment below. Now let us copy this entire prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and hit run. In a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a full 1-minute story, a complete breakdown of all scenes with detailed image and motion prompts, and finally, a clean, continuous voiceover ready for your text-to-speech tool. Just like that, we have everything needed from one single prompt. Even if you have the best AI tools, if you do not prompt correctly, you will get poor results and waste credits. Let us proceed to step 2, which is generating the visuals. This is where Meta AI comes in. I have left the link to this site in the description. Meta AI allows you to generate high-quality videos for free and without watermarks. Here you can see videos generated by other creators which you can use for inspiration because they look fantastic. To generate your visuals, click Create. If this is your first time, sign up with your Google account. Before generating videos, we need to generate images first. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt for scene 1, and paste it here. Make sure the mode is set to image and select the aspect ratio. I will choose 16:9, then click Generate. In a few seconds, Meta AI gives you 4 images. Look through them and select the best. The prompt includes terms like wide shot, 35mm lens, and swirling sand haze, which is why the result looks cinematic and realistic. With strong prompts, even free tools can produce images that look premium. On the right side, Meta AI provides styling options. You can restyle your image in a single click. Now it's time to turn this image into a video. But be careful. If you click Animate directly, you may get random results. Instead, choose Custom Animate and describe what should happen in the scene. ChatGPT already created the motion prompt for us. Just paste it here and click Animate. The video turns out fantastic. The camera pushes forward. Light flares appear as if it was recorded by a camera, which creates realism, and the sand haze rises across the frame. Make sure to save the generated clip by clicking on this download icon. Before we continue, there is a powerful tool I need to share with you, because it solves one of the biggest problems creators and students face today. It is called My Detector, and it is a content quality and authenticity checker that helps you verify whether your text looks truly human while also checking for plagiarism and grammar issues. With AI content everywhere, My Detector makes it easy to scan your essays, scripts, captions, reports, or creative writing, and instantly see if any part was flagged as AI generated. It also gives you humanization suggestions to make your writing flow naturally. You can upload files like Word, PDF, or text, and the platform will analyze everything in seconds. My Detector even supports multi-dimensional detection across text, images, and code, which makes it useful for academics, publishers, businesses, and content creators who want to keep their work original and professional. If you want your content to be authentic and polished before sharing it anywhere, try mydetector.ai using the link in the description and upgrade the quality of your work with confidence. Back to the tutorial. Now let us generate scene 2. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt for the next scene, paste it into Meta AI, and generate. The results are beautiful, and you can already notice the continuity between scenes. The prince was outside the temple, and now he is inside exploring it. To animate it, copy the matching motion prompt, paste it here, and generate. Again, the camera follows him deeper into the temple, the motion feels fluid, and the mood stays consistent. Same as before, save the clip to your device. Repeat these steps for all remaining scenes. Generate the image, then animate using the corresponding motion prompt, and save it to your device. Rumor has it you can generate up to 60 videos per day, but I have never personally hit the limit. After generating all scenes, rename them in order to maintain smooth continuity. Now let us move to the final step, which is editing. Open any editing software and import all your clips. I will use CapCut because it is free and beginner-friendly. Add the clips to your timeline, arrange them correctly, and preview to ensure smooth flow. To improve the video, we will add cinematic background music. For this, I will use ChatGPT. It is my favorite because you can generate up to 50 songs and the vocals sound realistic. Turn on the instrumental option, paste your prompt, and generate. You will get two results. Pick the best one and download it. Import it into your editor, adjust the timing, and add fade-ins and fade-outs. The video is already starting to feel professional. Next, we need a voiceover to enhance the storytelling. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the voiceover script, and paste it into 11 Labs. It offers human-sounding voices and gives you 10,000 free credits each month. Choose text-to-speech, paste your script, select a voice, and generate. Download the audio and bring it into CapCut.
The desert called to him long before he...
Align it with the scenes. Cut and adjust where needed so each sentence matches the visuals. Finally, we add sound effects to boost immersion. Use this site called pixabay.com. Don't worry, the links to all these tools are in the video description. Click on sound effects and search for what you need, such as building crushing. Preview and download the ones that fit your scenes. Adjust the audio levels so the voiceover stays clear above the music and effects.
Desert called to him long before he understood why, whispering through...
Preview your final video, then click Export. Name your file, choose up to 4K resolution, and export your video. And if you already started a YouTube channel or want to start and learn how to grow and earn money, I am launching a community early next year in January. I will be teaching my full blueprint from creating a YouTube channel to choosing a profitable niche and making videos from script to final edit. If you want early access, join my Telegram channel for updates. The video is now ready. Let us see what we have created.
The desert called to him long before he knew why. Its storms whispered that something ancient waited beneath the sands. When he stepped inside the temple, the air awakened around him. Every stone shifted as if it remembered his name. The earth opened, urging him deeper into the dark below. Visions rose like fire, showing destinies he could not escape. At the chamber's heart, the crown pulsed with ancient power. It beat...
Due to the sound effects we added, you can think that each scene was generated with sound. This is the complete workflow for making long videos with Meta AI for completely free. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like the video, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and subscribe so you never miss future uploads. Your support helps the channel grow, and together we will build a strong empire with the help of AI. And remember to try My Detector to keep all your content clean, authentic, and perfectly polished. Also check out my previous video on screen where I show you step-by-step how to create viral UGC ads with AI. Click on it now and learn another secret trick to go viral with AI.